Nifting couple shower. Good instructions in there for you. And then it comes with all the pieces you need. There's 2 levels in here. Pull this one up. And then this is where your shower head is. And the other shower head that goes on the other side of that big long pole. They give you all this sealant tape, all the hardware you need to install everything. See, all the little extra stuff that you need. Several extension pipes in case your pipes, you know, need it longer because your shower's bigger or something. Gives you everything you need. Very nice. And then it gives you these nice detailed everything that's included box thing. And then you open it up and it tells you exactly how to install it. Step by step. Let you know after I install it.